In this video, we're going to give you a brief introduction to the Tangem Ring / wallet, and we're going to get into things like security and things that I've noticed over the past several years using this wallet day to day. My name is Mitchell Bouchard, aka Crypto Moose, and I've been investing into cryptocurrencies for the past 5 years, and I've been fortunate enough to test, unbox, and review over 20 different crypto hardware wallets. By the way, if you guys are looking to pick up a Tangem Ring and/or wallet, head over to the link tree. It is pinned in the comment section down below, as well as in the description of every video here on the channel. Use code MOOSE, save 10% off. So definitely make sure that you are ordering from a reputable source. Use the link tree down below and pick one up if you want to. Now let's talk about the initial impressions. If there is only one thing I can highlight regarding the Tangem Ring, is its simplicity. All you have to do is take off the ring, tap it to the back of your phone, put in your access code, and boom, you can sign a transaction wherever you are. So the mobility and the design and the ease of use is always there. That's one thing that I've noticed time and time again. Also, on this channel, we have a brand new unboxing video that has been shot in 4K. So that will give you a nice perspective of what it will be like when you receive your wallet. We also have a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your ring and/or wallet. So depending on what you pick up, those steps are going to be the same. So definitely check out those videos. I think it's going to help out a lot of you. You want to make sure to set up your ring and/or wallet properly. Also, when you pick up a Tangem Ring, it comes with 2 backup cards. So if you have your wallet with you and maybe you leave your ring at home, you're still able to sign transactions on the go. Now let's get into the aesthetics and design of the Tangem Ring. Well, for one, it doesn't require a battery, which is awesome. So it uses NFC technology and it works with your cell phone. So this paired with your phone is incredible because it's with you wherever you go. I think personally it looks really cool on my hand. You also don't really notice the ring while you're wearing it. So whether you're driving or you're cleaning dishes, cooking, or setting up camera gear, working at your computer, anything day to day, it's never a hindrance. Personally, it works very well with my EDC, my everyday carry. I grab my card keys, my wallet, my phone, as well as the Tangem Ring every day before I leave the door. I feel like the Tangem Ring is very flexible in that it works with any lifestyle. If you go to the gym, you can have the ring on. If you are someone that is painting, you can wear the ring. If you are working at a computer, you can wear the ring. As well as almost any wardrobe that you pair the ring with, it looks great. Now I want to talk about the usability as well as the experience with this wallet. The fact that it's so simple to set up, so simple to use, so simple to get into cold wallets with the Tangem Ring and wallet, you cannot beat it. I've used several different hardware wallets, some of the best brands in the world, and I always find myself reaching for the card or taking off my ring. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and Tangem did that without compromising on security, without compromising on what you can hold. There's a lot of token support. There are a bunch of updates, so you can go to bed without worrying about somebody draining your wallet. There are a lot of other wallets that you could go with, but the Tangem Ring makes it very simple and they never compromise on security. You have EAL6+ security. You have great token support. They are always adding to their app And because most of us have our phone with us wherever we go, it's very simple to merge those two things. And it works. It synergizes very well. And that's one thing that I've noticed from day one that has carried over a year later, where I'm like, this experience gets better and better and better. And I'm excited to see what's going to happen in the future, because this works. Not only did it work day one, but things are better now. You have so many other assets that you can now add and hold and sign by simply tapping a ring or a card. As of right now in 2026, using code MOOSE, you can pick up a 2-card set for under $50 USD. You can also pick up a Tangem ring with 2 backup cards for $135. No other hardware wallet is going to give you this level of performance, security, and simplicity at the same time at that price. It is by far the best wallet you can pick up for cold storage, for hardware wallets in 2026. The one thing that I like about Tangem is that they seem to listen and truly understand what it's like to own crypto. And they, of course, want us to be able to do it in a non-custodial fashion where we don't have our crypto on an exchange. We can trust in the wallet, and we're able to do a lot of things on our own using the app. Things like swapping tokens. They have third-party providers without egregious fees, so you could swap Bitcoin for Solana, back and forth, whatever you want. Personally, there are a lot of great hardware wallets, but at this price point, with all of its capabilities in aesthetic and everyday use case, I do not see anything coming close. I challenge each and every one of you, share me a better crypto wallet that has better security, a faster setup time, better aesthetics, one that doesn't require a battery, one that has a better app, in one that looks as good as the Tangem ring for the price. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We have a lot more coming in 2026. Again, guys, use the link tree. It can be found in the comment section down below, as well as in the description of every video on this channel. Use code MOOSE, save 10% off today, and comment down below what other videos do you want to see right here on the channel. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.